Struggling with Korean numbers? You're not alone. Many learners get stuck trying to figure out when to use native Korean numbers versus when to use Sino-Korean numbers, and it can really feel overwhelming at first. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to be breaking down both systems in a simple, easy to understand way so that you can start using Korean numbers right away. Stick around until the end because I'll share a quick trick to help you remember which system to use in different situations. So why are there two number systems? Well, Korean has two sets of numbers, Native Korean, which is unique to the Korean language, and Sino-Korean, which was influenced by Chinese. And each set has its own purpose. Once you know when to use them, things start to make a lot more sense. Let's start with basic numbers, both native and Sino. So Native Korean 1 through 10. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, and 열. And Sino-Korean 1 through 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, Sino-Korean is also used for larger numbers, and the system is based on units of 10,000s, not 1,000, like in English. So first, here are some key units for you to remember. 10, 100, 1000, 만, 10만, 100만, 1000만, and 억. So 150,000 won isn't 150,000, it's 15만 원, 15 10,000s of won. So when do we use each system? Well, use Native Korean for counting people, animals, and objects, telling informal age and hours as in time, while Sino-Korean is used for money, phone numbers, dates, times, math, measurements, and large numbers. So here's a really simple tip. Native Korean is for counting, and Sino-Korean is for measuring, identifying, or quantifying. Here are some common mistakes I made and how you can avoid them. So mistake 1 is mixing systems into one phrase. It's incorrect to say 15,000원 and correct to say 15,000원. So use all Sino-Korean for number. My second mistake was using Native Korean for things like phone numbers. It's incorrect to say 010 and correct to say 010. Always use Sino-Korean. So check, are you counting something or are you reading a value? That usually tells you which system to use. Here are some practice sentences. First, Native Korean. 사람이 5명 있어요. There are 5 people. And 사과를 3개 샀어요. I bought 3 apples. Now, quick note. When Native Korean numbers like 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷 are used before counters, they change form. So 하나 becomes 한, 둘 becomes 두, 셋 becomes 세, and 넷 becomes 네. So 세 개 becomes all 세 개. This shortened form sounds more natural and is used before most counters like 개, 명, 살, or 시. Now here's one more example. 지금은 오후 4시예요. Now for Sino-Korean examples. 5분만 기다려 주세요. Please wait just 5 minutes. And 이거는 2만 원이에요. This is 20,000 won. Repeat with me out loud to build fluency. Now here are some key takeaways. Use Native Korean when counting people and objects, and use Sino-Korean when dealing with money, dates, times, phone numbers, addresses, and numbers over 100. Remember, large numbers are grouped by 4-digit units in Korean, starting from 만, 10,000. Mastering both systems will really help you feel more confident in everyday Korean, whether you're shopping, telling time, or giving your phone number. If this video helped clarify numbers for you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Also, we've created a free downloadable PDF guide with charts, usage tips, and example sentences. The link is in the description below. Now, I'd love to hear from you, so write a sentence in the comments using either native or Sino-Korean numbers. We'll be reading and responding, so let's practice together. Thank you for watching and keep up the great work. I'll see you in the next video. 다음에 또 봐요.